Bombs. Oh. I'm so confused. Oh! I'm okay. My feet kicked out so hard. What are you doing? Breaking walls over there? Where is the last one? I didn't miss it up here, did I? She's trying to kill the light balls? Oh yeah. What the fuck? I don't know why you would want to kill the light balls. Where is it? Got that one. There. That one. Where is that blasted last one that I need? Maybe it is down here. Okay. Where the heck is it? You're just supposed to shoot that thing, maybe? Huh. Don't know. I'm gonna try shooting that thing. No. Where is the last one? Oh, damn it. Oh, okay. Thank you. That still doesn't help me figure out where that last dang thing is, but cool. Nonetheless. have definitely missed one. Where on earth could it be? Where is your last? I feel really. I'm gonna feel stupid as hell when I realize where it is, I bet. Like, it's really. Whoa, shit. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm okay. And I don't think I can shoot that thing. That's just like a. Haven't done the thing yet thing. Okay. Can't do that yet. Okay, so I got this. Like, is it up there? Can I get up there? Right. Come on. Show yourself. Right, that spot. Like, is it just back here? Am I that... What? Supposed to follow these? Don't kill it! I'm trying to follow it. Although following it doesn't do anything either. How do I just shoot that thing? Nope. Man, I really can't find it. How is this so hard? It's not a very big spot. There was nowhere to go down here, right? Oh, no, there is. Okay. There's nothing over here. Bomb there. I don't want to walk over it. Like, I feel like it's down here somewhere. But I have no effing clue where. I guess it can't be down here, because that is all of down there, and it wasn't there. Got me good, puzzle. You got me good so far. Where the hell is it? Is there a wall I missed that I could break? Ooh, what have I missed? Have I missed? Like, these make sounds themselves, too. Maybe I do have to kill the light thing. But I feel like we killed them all. Maybe I shouldn't have scolded Edith. She was doing the right thing the whole time. Where'd you go? I don't think that's doing anything. Where the fudge is it? I need one more, I think. Edith just nuts killing shit up here. Fuck. This is hard. Like, the lights or something, aren't they? And there's nothing at the beginning? Tricksy, tricksy, tricksy game. This is what I get for going through a random portal. I assume there's 3, because they're usually in 3s. Oops, sorry, Edith. And like, I got that one. Boosh. And I got that one. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Lordy! Wee. A wee. Oh! Oops. Boo 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 boo. Oops. Excuse me. That's nice, kitty. That's nice. So that's the people out here. Radio. Oh fuck, hold on. I closed something by accident. Fuck's sake. Shigadoo, shigadoo. And a shigadoo. Well, my food is ready. I might take a quick AFK. Grab some sustenance. Where did I come from? That other way. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, and they give you a little cooking spot. Cool. Manage fuel. Oh, they give you wood to be able to cook. That's amazing. Like that. Who cares? That's good enough. We'll extinguish it so that we aren't responsible for a horrible fire. have a feeling that was just the first puzzle, too. Yep. Okay. Oh, my Lanta. This place is so big. Oh my god. Well, if I can hide, maybe. I'll take that as a no. Fuck. Oh my god. Edith, I need you to hold on to some things. Ow. Ow! Oh god. Lightning? Okay. Edith, you're not even fighting. Oh, fuck. That's pretty fucking sweet. I like that. Okay. It's a lot of ants. Okay. Is this the same puzzle? I think this is the agility one. The last one was the intelligence. Sucks. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. Whoa. Ah! Oh. 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 I just have to get to it? Because, like, that's not really hard. I don't want to waste all the good shit, though. Where's my 6? Oh, oops. You're too quick. Good stuff. Oh, yeah, it really was just get to it. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. hear something else. Oh, no, I'm just back here. I guess... I'll do this? Send me where I want to go? Nope. Okay. Now I just have to figure out how to get back. Whoa, that was weird. Damn it! To go up. Thank you. I did it! Oh, how do I get up to there? Yoink. Yoink. That doesn't sound friendly. Ah. Okay. Is that open? I don't think so. I see little flashes of red. Or... B? Nope. Still waiting. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Anytime now. Anytime now. Did it bug out? Nope. Just takes a minute. That was cool. I didn't know there was gonna be like little dungeons. I gotta go get my dinner. A dinner. Okay, continue. Wow, that was pretty fucking cool. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna camp out in it. There was a little Spanish flea. Okay. I have peed. I got my food. Ready to go. Whoops. I have my microphone. That was a good day. Now, where the hell was I? Where am I? Where is it? Getting out of this place. I don't know where I am. No, I don't know where I am. Gonna leave here if I can. Because I don't know where I am. I gotta go talk to Oreo. Hint on the map, what does that mean? Ooh, defense. Ooh, a fake. Now, I'm scared, like, if I log out, am I gonna get, like, kicked from this realm? Because that would be poopy. Alright, Mr. Avocado. Returning again to seek a bit of realm-walking wisdom, I've completed your trial. That explains you marching up like a peafowl. Have you plundered essences from the Fey ruins? This one. I retrieved what I could, but I have no idea what it is. Precisely. Part of this trial was to pique your spirit of inquiry. As part of your reward, I've given you the final essential realm-walking tool, a Red Cross surveying spyglass, for scouting threats among the wilds. I have fond memories of my first spyglass as a boy. Handle yours with care and let it bring near that which hides far. As for those essences, could you feel the radiant energy resonating from them? Let's hope so, for they will become vital in your second trial, if you're ready. I'm ready! The second trial is a truer test. The objective is to match survival prowess with your penchant for exploration. Realm diving is the way of the walker, after all. You'd best have your realm cards at the ready. History is in your hands. You haven't told me what the trial is. This trial, unlike the last, requires some preparation. It entails a touch more danger, and you'll need to be well equipped. You'll need to improve one of your tools by crafting upgrades and infusions made of essence and a bit of dust. A fine use for what you scrounged up in your last excursion. Then comes the trial proper. With tool in hand, seek out a Fey Tower or underground sanctum. At the culmination of any such construct, you'll find an artifact of great value. Claim it and return here. Should these wilds weary you in interim, seek respite before pressing on. Respite? That pocket watch is truly a thing of wonder. In addition to being an ornate timepiece, it contains a magical fail-safe mechanism which allows its wearer to instantly travel back to a single location. They used to port explorers back to Nightingale, but that tether was severed. With some adept fiddling, the location can be changed and attuned to your estate cairn, although I don't advise doing so too often. Lose that watch, you'll be high and dry. Carrion for whatever vileness out here has developed a taste. Wait, what? Don't use it too often. Remember, these faces have long been abandoned by their architects, but they are not without plentiful dangers and oddities. If you decide to brave a tower, you'd be remiss not to experiment with the fascinating prowess of a realmic transmuter. Take this minor card and see for yourself. I'll leave you with a geo-arcane idiom to ponder. Truths reveal themselves to those who walk with curious eyes. Okay. Cool. So, I want to reopen this portal. And then, I guess the whole objective now is to just to go back to... This says 7. What does that mean? Oh, that's the difficulty, I think. May not have access. That's not true. I will. It's fine. I think the thing is, like, as long as you don't close it, you're fine. Bow, bow. Oh no! ID dreaded. Well. Maybe that's a sign that I should end stream so that I can just enjoy my food and all the such. Well. Oh well. That's annoying. Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see what that means for the save. Oh god. But yeah. For now, I guess I'm just gonna call it there and you know, we'll pick it up next stream. Sure.